What's going on, y'all? Welcome to another Random Robert rendition. Today I'm gonna make a simple recipe for venison burgers, something that you can whip together in a couple minutes. So let's get started. You're gonna need 2 pounds of ground venison meat, or whatever you have it. If you have it rendered with some fat, I have 30% beef and I have 70% deer. Okay, it's actually brisket. They do it at the smokehouse that I get it done at, and it's delicious. You're gonna need some Worcestershire sauce, some soy sauce, an onion the size of a baseball, a 3-inch sweet chili pepper, and some Tony's Creole. All right. I made it up.
Oh, you made it up?
Yeah.
Oh, you get it from
No, I always add this stuff. I always add these two things because they tend to take away the gaminess in the meat. Like, it tastes a lot cleaner.
Y ahora peso casi los... Son 4 o 3. 3. Uno de 2.
2 y 2
Oh, sí.
1, 6.
Así en el sofá, en el deseo. Para poderse levantar, bueno.
Ya tiene marcada la cabeza yendo.
Cuando tenía una comadre extra que está acá con Nacho.
Oh, sí.
Y que maneja, así lo traigo. Le decía hasta la muerte al pobre. Ojalá que se muera.
No, es que...
¿Cómo?
Yo no quiero vivir donde...
Le entrego el cheque y...
De primero está vivir con ellos. Lo va a hacer Fabi con...
I like them. Everything natural here. Everything natural here.
Put them in the plants.
Put them in the plants?
For the plants?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know that. And finally, you take what you've mixed up and you begin to prepare the burgers. So this one will probably make, I think it'll make about 6 really good burgers, you know, because they obviously shrink. So I make them about the size of my hand, I would say. My last little burger. See, it's got peppers on it and stuff. That's kind of what it is. So you take that and run with it, take that to the bank, and I'll bet you it's gonna be delicious.